Today, I'll show you 3 accessories to make your HandyPress even better. The HandyPress Rail System comes with everything you need to ensure that the HandyPress is in the perfect position for your projects. You can move the tool to the front position so that the work surface is hanging over the edge of your table. And this is perfect if you're working on bags or any hard to reach area, so that you can put your assembly over that post and not have any issues with your project butting into the side of your table. And it's that easy to set a rivet inside a bag with no issues. You can also move the tool to the back position so you have a little bit more table space when working with large or heavy assemblies. So I can simply fold up my fabric and rest it right there as I work. But before I start punching out the holes for these curtain grommets, I'm actually going to hold off because we've got an accessory later that's going to help us out with that. Next is the HandyPress Sliding Backstop. And I know what you might be thinking. I already have a sliding plate with a backstop, but not like this one. This one lets you use the sliding backstop with the use of lower dies. This accessory will also come with a fence, which allows you to work even closer to the edge of your assembly while using the backstop. And the only thing I have to say about it is that is just gorgeous. Do you care about consistency and quality? Well, so do we. So that's why we designed the HandyPress ruler. This accessory allows you to accurately position your workpiece while cutting, installing hardware, or stamping. So no need to measure and mark your project beforehand when you can do it all with one step with the HandyPress ruler. The ruler has centimeters on one side and inches on the other. It can be mounted on either side of the press, and another nice feature is that no matter which way you install it, the numbers will never be upside down. So now let's go back to our curtain example. I can use the back plate to set the distance between this seam and the hole, and then I can use the ruler to make sure all of the holes that I set for the curtain grommets are evenly spaced. I'll punch the first hole 3 inches from the edge of the fabric, and for the rest of the holes, they'll be spaced out 7 inches apart. So with the first hole punch, all I have to do is align the middle of that previous hole with the 7-inch marker. Then I'm ready to punch the next one. We hope you're just as excited about these 3 tools as we are, and we've linked each one in the description below, so make sure you get yours before they're gone. And if this is your first time hearing about the HandyPress, check out this video to learn all that it can do. It's a lot.